County in north central Texas until 6:15 p.m. At 4:16 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing heavy rain across the warned area. 2 to 3 inches of rain has already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Gainesville and Lake Iowa. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe. Turn around